Hey my beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Into this video, I will be making some tasty Liberian roasted meat, flatbread, and strawberry lemonade. I have the full recipe for the roasted meat in my cookbook on Amazon, 20 Best Liberian Recipes. If you are ready, I'm ready. Let's get started right now. First, I will start by making the lemonade. I have half cup of sugar and water in this cup. I will mix this well, microwave it for 3 to 4 minutes and set it aside. I am blending 2 cups of strawberries. After blending the strawberries, you can use a strainer and get rid of the pulp. I won't be doing that. Next, I will start working on the flatbread. I will be using 2.5 cups of flour and 2 cups of Greek yogurt. I will mix together 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of Greek yogurt first. As I'm kneading the dough, I will add the other half cup of flour. I have the stove on medium-low. Keep an eye on the bread and flip it after a minute and a half. When the bread starts to look like this, it's ready. Now, let's get started on this delicious roasted meat. I already prepped my ingredients, but I will explain what I have here. I already cleaned and cut the meat, and this is what I used to season the meat. After seasoning the meat, it was in the fridge overnight, but you don't have to do that. The next day, I added half of the peanut butter mixture to the meat. Right here, I have bell peppers and onions. You can use any colors if you want to. You can use green or orange. Just make it look cute. I will fry the other half of the peanut butter mixture to brush it on the meat when it's halfway done. I am using my air fryer to grill the meat, but you can use your regular grill. In the other plate, I have cucumber, tomatoes, and onions. You can add some of that to the flatbread and roasted meat or have it on the side. This meal was so satisfying, tasty, and so delicious. I hope you give this a try, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.